Wouldn't be a proper episode without a giveaway. New Tools framing nailer based off of the NR83A from Hitachi. Beautiful gun, shoots great. Already have one at home. I've given a few of these away now. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. You're entered to win. Winner will be announced in episode 6. Got this wall here to frame, that one over there. We'll get this guy in today as well. Let's get after it. Clean as butter. So we've got this wall framed. Whoop. We're gonna come over here and bang out this one here real quick. So we've got that wall ready to go up. It's plated 5.5 over to hang over that wall there. That one's ready to go up as well. That plate ran long, so we took 5.5 off that way to where when it goes up, that plate overlaps. We have these strong walls here, 1, 2, and 3. Those go in, and then we have post bases, which was the death of our tire, that go there, 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 and there underneath our trimmers. They have a standoff. Those will tighten down to our stem walls. Trimmer sits on top of that, holds the header. We're gonna have to put in the strong wall, fasten that down, post base on both sides, trimmers in all the way around, then go ahead and drop our headers in. Alright, we'll go ahead and smack these buckets back down. Man, you guys, that's beautiful. We have an HDU2 that goes there, fastens to that doubler. And another one that fastens to that doubler. We could stand this little guy, I guess. We have a chiner. Matt can't bang nails in the right spot. Progress, you guys, progress. HD2 will go there. Anchor bolt. Anchor bolt and anchor bolt. Ooh, we got a tight one. We'd have to check the plans for that. Not sure if that's an HD2 or an HD4.
Well, shoot it.
Woo! So then in a perfect world,
Should have the same number.
yes.
The,
203. 203 and a 16th.
perfect.
Oh, baby, 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 money, money, money. So that was a mission. That was a 1 3/4 by 20 inch cut at 203 inches, which is 16 foot 11 inches. I'm only putting up the one. I'm gonna take off these chicken sticks that I put out here on the outside, shear from there over, and then I can wrap that whole thing, come back down this side, and it will be done. That strap detail runs from about there back onto that plate, ties those two together. So we'll make sure we got good nailing. Don't you think? I want you guys to see that. Look at that. That's what we're after.